A lot of stuff there.
Alright, so what we're going to do here is, you see, we have the keyway 12 o'clock right here. And then on all 4 cams, we have the matrix up top.
Facing up.
Facing up.
On all 4.
Show this side over here.
Those markings via where Jason.
Right there and right there.
Yep.
If these are facing up and your keyway is 12 o'clock, up, that's fine. That's where you want to be, okay? Now you take the R on the passenger side.
Yep.
And you color this link right here white on your chain. Okay? And that's your R mark right there. So that's reference of that's where everything has to line up later.
Yep.
Then you're going to take your timing chain on this side here and just mark a mark. Say this link here. We're going to color this link white. Okay.
The whole link.
And then we're going to put a mark right there. And that's going to tell
on
us
the crankshaft, it's
the crankshaft gear. So that's our reference point. So now we know that that's
where it needs to be.
That's where that needs to be.
Okay, now
what we're going to do is we're going to take the 2 10mm bolts
on the side
off of the tensioner.
See those 2 there? Yep.
Eights.
You're good. So yeah, you gotta take off your right side, which is passenger side, first, because the chain is in front on this side, and then we'll do that side, the driver's side. So Jason's taking these 2 bolts out right now, 2 8mm. Sorry about the lighting, it's kind of shitty. These things are just fucking, everything falls, dude.
You can time lapse all this, right?
Time lapse, it'd be. Alright, so we got the 2 8mm tensioner bolts off. Now we're taking off the 2 8mm chain guides on the same side. Alright, so we got that tensioner off. Gives us enough to pull the guide off for the chain. There you go. Alright, the guide's off. Chain's just chilling. Just hanging like a set of nuts.
Yeah, buddy. Okay.
You can pull this chain off now.
Yep, now it's time. Well, what is that right outside?
Phone's right here.
Now what we're going to do is rotate this keyway until it's at the 9 o'clock position. So right here, okay? And what that does is, I'm pretty sure they said it's something to do with chain slack.
So that keyway is going to go at 90 degrees.
The 9 o'clock position, yep.
Or 9 o'clock position, yes.
Should be right about there. Okay. Now we're going to just repeat what we did on the other side to this side.
Yeah, the chain's off on this side now. So we're just going to repeat the process on this side. We're going to mark the L on the chain and that L on the cam. You just clean it off.
So now we know that this L mark right here, this is going to be our chain link right here. We're just gonna put a mark right here on the L.
Yep.
Now we're gonna go on down here on the crank.
The L and the chain.
Now we're gonna go down here on the crank. And we are going to mark this one now. And I think the easiest thing to do is going to be put it right here, honestly.
The last one. I guess it's just marking the
Chain link here,
chain link on the bottom on the crank.
so we know that's where that goes next time. I'm just gonna mark a mark right here. So we know that's gonna be for the back.
That's the back one now. And that's for that chain. It's all marked up now. Now I'm just gonna take the tensioner out with those two 8mm bolts first. Okay, so now we got that tensioner off, that's where it goes. On this side there's two 8mm on the bottom one and then nothing on the top.
One 8mm right here.
Oh, it's I'm sorry, one 8mm. That will release the slacking.
The slack's already released when that tensioner came off. See what I mean? So this one's gonna come off.
That one just pops right off. Jay's just got shit on each side. Fuck it. It's just oil.
Yes.
Cleans and protects. And there's that guide is off. There's just one bolt on this side, and then the other one there's no bolt. So,
Okay, so our line and our line.
everything's lined up. Now we can remove it. Fuck this shit, dude. I would not do that. Cool. Alright, boys. So the two chains are off. Now we're just going to remove...
I have this set up on the fender, so the top of that link, we know, goes to the top of this. That
Okay.
top mark goes to the top of that.
Alright, that
Okay.
works too. So
All right,
now we
guys,
just got to
now
remove...
we got everything's all apart. We're gonna...
Take that bolt out, right?
Yeah, we gotta take that bolt out.
That shit can just slide right out now.
Yeah, but...
Okay, just unbolting the oil pickup tube. There are two 10mm bolts. Alright, so taking out these two 10mm bolts for the oil pickup tube.
I got this stubby 10mm wrench I'll rent to anybody if they want. Working awesome for this back bolt.
So we got the two bolts off the oil pickup tube, and we have these 4 bolts here that connect the housing. And so we got that off right there. That's the oil pickup tube. So this is what it looks like here with the oil pump off. And we got to just disassemble this, and that's where the oil pump gears are. So do that. So that everything looks there.
We're gonna move to a little warmer climate to do this here because we ran out of kerosene.
And one thing is, when removing the oil pickup tube bolts, make sure you got magnet in there, especially for the right side one, because it's very tight. You don't want to drop that in the oil pan, and then that just sits in there like that, and you hook it back up once you put everything back together. Alright, so we took off these T30 torque stud bits there. all these around it and remove the cover. And that's the oil pump gears right there. So we're gonna put these bad boys in the billet ones.
I have the boundary. Here's the part number.
Here we got ARP bolt. That's the crankshaft gear. Alignment tool. All good to go.
Alright guys, so this oil pickup tube, everybody bitches about constantly. Let me show you what I did with mine. It took me 2 seconds to do it. I know I'm going to have haters, but I took the bolt and I put the bolt inside the wrench like this, okay? Now it has a washer, so the washer holds, it's not going to fall through. There's no way. So all I did was I held the bolt like this, I put the magnet on the threads, and I literally fed it right into there, kept the bolt there, okay, and turned the wrench with the magnet on it, and once it grabbed just the slightest bit, I removed the wrench, and this magnet was strong enough to actually pull the washer to tighten it up. It took me literally under 30 seconds to get the hard bolt in here. I mean, yes, it is a bitch putting it back together, or, you know, all the threads, because they are about 1 inch long, which is a pain in the freaking ass. But yeah, I just did it like this right here. I just grabbed that washer and bolt with the magnet and literally just fed it through like that until it went in. No dental floss, nothing crazy like that. So I just wanted to let you guys know. Looking good. Alright guys, so super simple, man. We just lined up our old sprockets right here and just marked our marks on them, you know, as you can see right there. So we just copied it. Yeah, we lined the keyway up, so we know the marks are identical. We slid that sprocket back on. We put our back, you know, we lined that up to that, brought it up here, and as you can see, it lined up perfect here again. Now we're just putting in our timing chain tensioners, and then we're going to do our guides, then we're going to put our tensioner in. But right here, we're going to just torque this to 89 inch-pounds, which comes out to about 8 foot-pounds right here. That's what we're going to do right now. That's what the equation comes to. Alright, right now we're installing the timing chain tensioner. All I did is use the C-clamp, put a rag on the one side so I didn't hurt it, and I just cranked it in until I could get I just used the Allen wrench and stuck it in there to hold that plunger back. Now I'm going to torque it to 89 inch-pounds, which is about 7.5, 8 foot-pounds. And we're going to make sure when we release that it doesn't jump a tooth. So I hear they like to do. So right now we're just going to torque this to our there. Now I also noticed torquing this, I didn't like the way that felt at 89 inch-pounds, but that is the standard that they have, so I can't fight them on that. It's weird that clicked and then as soon as it clicked. I'm just gonna double check this one quick. Okay, now they say to hold
You want me to release it?
I'll release it. Hold this so it doesn't skip a tooth when you pull it out.
Ooh, perfect. There you go.
And there we go, guys.
That chain is done.
That chain is finished.
Driver's side is done. Now on to the passenger.
Alright guys, so we had to put the bolt back in, and we went from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Keyway is dead on top now. And this is going to line this side up for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this mark onto that mark. Feed it up through. And there you are. Mark to mark. And down here, mark to mark. There's no error. So I'm just going to tighten this up. This is a C-clamp. I mean, I don't have a vise accessible here. So C-clamp is just a little easier for me.
Just watch the oil coming out. And you just, ooh. And you stick the Allen key in that slot there. Push it through. And then when you loosen it up, it's in place. And it's ready to go on.
Alright, so everything lined back up perfect. We put the bolt back in it, and I turned it over probably 10-15 times, and I don't hear no clicking or clacking, so everything should be fine. And that's how easy it honestly is. It's really not that hard. I'm semi-mechanically inclined, but I don't see anybody really having a problem. If you know basic mechanical skills, I think you're going to be perfectly fine with this. I mean, it's nothing to lose sleep over. But there you are, guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks.